and welcome to our Goddard STEM Lab, where we have a very, very exciting Goddard live stream for you today. We are going to be celebrating Earth Day, because Earth Day is very important. I want all of your friends to know how important it is that you have a role in helping our Earth. So we're going to do a really, really exciting science experiment. And friends, this is a funny word. I want you to say it with me. Ready? We're going to be making oobleck. 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 So we're going to be making oobleck that looks like our Earth. So let's think for a second. And when you look at pictures of our Earth, or you look at a globe, or maybe a ball that looks like the Earth, what colors are on that ball, friends? I think I hear someone saying blue. And I have green. So we made our green oobleck already. It's really fun, friends. I can't wait for you to do this with me. It's so fun. Just stirring it is fun. I can't wait to get messy. So now that we have our green, we're going to be working together to make blue oobleck so that you friends can have your parents, you can teach your parents how to make it at home, and then you can play with an oobleck Earth at home as well. So all we need to make oobleck is 3 things. 1, 2, 3. Cornstarch, 1. Water, everyone has water, is 2. And food coloring. So we're going to need green and blue. I already used my green, so we're going to use our blue food coloring. So friends, make sure you tell your parents this is 1/4 of a cup. I know fractions are a bit hard, but 1/4 cup of cornstarch. I'm sorry, it's a 1/2 cup. We have a 1/2 cup of cornstarch that we're going to add into our bowl. Ready? And friends, just be careful, because as you can see, cornstarch is pretty messy. It gets everywhere. You can even feel it with your hands. I'm going to scrape it out of my cup to make sure that I get all of the cornstarch. Okay, so now that we have our cornstarch ready, the next step is to make some water. But if we just add plain water, it's just going to be plain white oobleck. Who wants white oobleck? It's not as fun. So we're going to take our blue food coloring, and we're going to add 2, maybe 3 drops. 1, 2, I think we should do 3. Let's do 3. 3. Wow! We're going to give it a shake. See it mixing? Now we have our blue water to add to our oobleck. Okay, now that we have our blue water and our cornstarch, we're going to mix them together. And friends, you have to use your big, strong muscles for this part, because it can actually be really, really tricky to stir. I have a plastic spoon. I think maybe a wooden spoon or a metal spoon would probably be easier, because you see what happens? It bends. So I'm going to do my very best to mix our oobleck for you. Ready? We're going to pour them together. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay, it's in. And now the tricky part. We have to stir. It's tricky. Using my muscles. Ugh. See how it's starting to come together? It's getting very, very thick. It's starting to look like oobleck. It's going to feel like oobleck. Those big clumps, maybe squish them. Break them up so they get into the water. Just keep doing your best to stir. See how my spoon is bending? Makes things very tricky. But we got it, friends. You can do it. We can do hard things. What do you think, friends? Does it look like oobleck yet? Looks kind of thick and stretchy. Maybe a little bit more stirring. I need a better spoon. Okay, looks like oobleck to me, friends. We're gonna start our next step. Okay, now that we have our 2 colors, we have our, help me friends, what color is this? Green. We have our green oobleck. Now we're gonna take it, and friends, for this next part, I'm using a big paper plate that has a little bit of a lip on it so that it keeps the oobleck in the plate. But you can use a pie pan, a cake pan, anything that's big and round and has a big ledge on it to keep your oobleck in it. So we're gonna pour our green oobleck onto my plate, which is gonna turn into the Earth. If I can get it all in there. There it goes. Woo, see it stretch? Okay, now the fun part, we add the blue. It's a little hard to pour because it's so thick. Scrape it in, we're gonna mix it. It's starting to look like the earth. Our water is spreading into our land. Ooh, this oobleck is thick and stretchy. It's gonna be so fun to make a mess. I think we're ready to play. So friends, this is the fun part and the messy part. So one thing you are gonna wanna have ready for when you're all done playing with your oobleck is a sink and some nice soap to get your hands nice and clean, because it's gonna be messy, but that's the fun of it. So I have some toys that I can even play with. I have a truck. Let's see what happens when I drive my truck through my oobleck. It's sticky, it's stuck in the mud. See the colors mixing? Yeah, see your car wheels getting stuck. They're getting messy, so your car is definitely gonna need a bath. You can take them to the car wash when you're done. Ooh, it is sticky. I'm gonna get my hands a little messy now, friends. Ready? You can swirl the colors around. See the green appearing in the blue? I'm gonna try and pick up my oobleck. Let's see what happens when you try and pick it up. Ooh, that's a really silly feeling in my hands. It's slippery, but also kind of sticky. I can't wait for you friends to tell me how much fun you have playing with your oobleck. Let's see what happens when I take a cookie cutter and try and make a stamp in my oobleck. Ooh, he sinks right in. Fascinating. Does it show up? Oh, it just disappears. You can stretch your oobleck. It's stringy, it's slippery, it's slimy. It's so fun. Ready? Let's see what happens with this. I think it's gonna make a mess. See our color swirling? You can use whatever tools you want to swirl your oobleck. But you know what, my friends? I think our hands are the most fun. I'm gonna take a big scoop. Ready? Woo! See those colors mixing? The more you play, the more the colors will mix. Friends, let me tell you a secret. I love oobleck. So now that I've had some fun, my friends, I've got my nice messy fingers. I think it's a good time to say goodbye and say that I miss you, and we can't wait to have you back at school so we can do more fun experiments with you here. Thank you for showing up, and we'll see you soon.